Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your iPhone without any iCloud account or logging. So let's see how you can do this thing. So once you turn on your Apple iPhone, then you'll find this type of thing. First you need to choose the language. I'm going to choose the language as English, but you are fine to choose any other language based on your own preference. I just choose English and then it will come to this location. Basically it is asking to select the country or region. So I'm in USA, so I'm going to use USA, but if you are other part of the world, you can choose anywhere basically from these. So I'm going to choose United States, and then it is asking the appearance. So what is the choose how you would like text and icons to look an iPhone. That means default size or medium size or large size. So check the difference. Default means like this type of outlook it will come, and medium, if you choose medium, basically everything will be increased the size, and if you choose large, everything will be very big size. I'm going to choose large, that's fine, and then I'm going to press the continue button to go to the next step. Once I press the continue button, then it will bring this type of screen. Quick start, setup without another device. So you can set up your iPhone with other device, but I'm not going to do that. So what I am going to do, set up without another device, the last option. Basically I'm going to click here or tap it here. Now we need to choose one of the Wi-Fi. So I have the Wi-Fi connection, so I'm going to actually connect the Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect by tapping the password of my Wi-Fi. Once I type the Wi-Fi password, then I'm going to press the join button, and then if the Wi-Fi password is correct with the connecting Wi-Fi, it will go to the next step, and it will show like this. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, and this screen will come. Now we need to wait till we get the next message. Now iPhone will present you with the data and privacy details basically. So here we need to press the continue button to go to the next step. I'm going to press continue, and then it is asking set up iPhone. I want to set up for myself, that's why I'm going to choose the first option, set up for myself. And now it is asking to scan my Face ID, but I don't want to do this now, I will do later. So I'm going to choose set up later, the last option. So once I do this thing, now it is asking create a iPhone passcode. I'm also not interested to put any password, so I'm going to ignore the password from password option, and it will bring this type of option. I'll use the second last option, that means don't use passcode, that option just before the cancel button. So I'm going to click here or tap it here, and then it will bring like this. Using a password is highly recommended. iPhone is telling us that to use the password, but I'm not interested to put a password, so I have to choose the first option, don't use passcode. So once I press there, it will bring like this screen. Now here, transfer your app or data. I'm not interested to transfer any of the apps or data, so I have to choose the last option, don't transfer anything. But if you want, you can do the transfer or transfer your data or application also there. But for my case, I'm going to choose the last option because I don't need to transfer any app or data. So I'm going to tap don't transfer anything. Once I tap it there, it is asking the Apple ID. Now here is the fun part. So here there are on the option like other sign-in option is there, or forget password or don't have an Apple ID. Okay, so what I'm going to do this thing, I'm going to choose the last option, other sign-in option. So I'm going to tap it here at the bottom, and here it is asking use another device to sign in, use multiple accounts, cancel. So this is not giving us any option to bypass it, so I'm going to cancel it. So now what I need to do, we just need to tap forget password or don't have an account ID. So just need to tap it over there, and here is the main thing we need to do. At the beginning I told you that you will set up your iPhone without any Apple ID password. Okay, so this is the main thing you need to do, the configuration basically. So here you will see three options. One is forget password or Apple ID, and this create a free Apple ID or set up later in settings. So I'm going to choose the third or last option, set up later in settings, to bypass the Apple ID logging. So I'm going to tap it here, and then it is asking are you sure you don't want to use an Apple ID? Yes, I don't want to use, so we have to use don't use, that option, the first option. Once I tap it over there, then it will bring the terms and condition of the iPhone or Apple basically. We must have to agree. So I'm going to tap it on the top right corner, agree, and once I press the agree, we'll say update your iPhone automatically. It's asking, do you want to update your iPhone automatically? I'm going to press the continue button, and then it is coming iMessage FaceTime. So to set up those things, I'm not interested to do now, so I'm going to choose the last option, not now. And then it is asking location service. I will not share my location, so I'm going to choose the last option, set up later. And then here it is asking disable location service. Yes, I want to disable, so I'm going to press the OK button. And once I press the OK button, it will bring us set up cellular. Okay, this thing also I don't want to do now, I will do later. Set up later in the settings. I'm going to tap it over there, last option. And then here it is asking to set up the Siri. This one also I will not set up, so I'm going to choose last option, set up later in the settings. And then it is asking screen time. This thing also I am not interested to set up, so I'm going to choose the last option, set up later in the settings. And now here it is showing the iPhone analytics. Here also I don't want to share anything with Apple, so I'm going to choose last option, don't share. And finally it is asking light or dark display. I'm going to choose dark display, but you can use the other also, like light or auto. So once I choose the preferred like display, whether it is light or dark, then we have to tap the continue button. So I choose dark, and then I'm going to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, it will give us the message, welcome to iPhone, and there is a and nothing is there at the bottom. You'll see one like message, swipe up to get started. So that means we need to swipe up to get started. So once we swipe up, then we'll see that iPhone is able to set up completely. So in this way we are able to set up the iPhone without any Apple ID or password. So that's it guys. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to set up your iPhone without any Apple ID or password. Now you can do everything whatever you want to do in your phone. Right now in this phone I don't have any SIM, that's why there is no SIM is coming, only the Wi-Fi signal is there. And if you go there from settings, if you go there Wi-Fi, you will see that Wi-Fi is connected over there. Okay, and also let's check whether Wi-Fi is working properly or not. I'm going to type it on the very simple website, like for example google.com, and let's see whether it's coming or not. Yes, it's coming. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily set up our iPhone without any Apple ID or password. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or problem, you can put in the comment section.